Hi guys, this is Miguel from Data Diaries. Today with a new example of working with data frames and focusing on column ranges this time. So I prepared this test data frame you see here where I have a lot of columns, and as you may know or will know when you're watching this channel, is you can use pandas to select a subset of these columns using the ILock function. So for example, if I want to see only the columns 1 to 3, I could tell, okay, colon here to say I want to get all rows and I want to see the columns 1 to 3, which starting counting at 0, so I'm excluding the ID column. So I put 1 to 4 here, and it will show me test column 1, test column 2, test column 3. So that's fine. I can change it for different columns. I can only get single columns and things like that. But what do I do if I want to combine different column ranges? So I only want to see, let's say, columns 1 to 3, but I want to exclude columns 4 and 5, and then add the test column 6 to 11. So I want to combine multiple ranges. How do I do this? So in standard ILock, this is something that's not trivial to achieve, but we can make use of an additional feature, which is it's a numpy feature. So I will import numpy as np, as is the common way to import it, and we'll use the np.r function in here, and this allows me to combine different column ranges. So let me copy this one and say I want to see again the columns from 1 to 3, and I want to add additional columns. So what I can do is, in here, I can add this np.r function. It takes an underscore behind it, and then open square bracket, and of course I need to close it at the end, so it will go in here. And within this bracket, I can basically combine multiple column ranges, as many as I want, or single columns even. So I could add it here, like let's say column with the iloc of 6, and I could also add the range from, let's say, from 8 to 10. And what it does is exactly what you would expect. So we see in here, this is the combination of all of these columns that I specified in here. So yeah, I think that's a great shortcut to do it. I use this function a lot, and it helps with white tables, selecting the relevant columns. Just put in this numpy function and you're good to go. So yeah, that's all I want to show you for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.